Welcome to the WooCommerce PayGate PayWeb 3 plugin installation and configuration video. Today we're going to be running through how to install and configure PayGate on your WooCommerce site. First thing you do is you extract the zip that you've received from PayGate or from your developer. You'll notice that you have your WooCommerce instructions and your WooCommerce gateway zip. This is the plugin and these are the instructions. Our video is a version of the text instructions that you see inside here. The first step is to go to Add New under Plugin on your WordPress dashboard. From there, you can select the Upload Plugin button. You click Choose File, and from here you can select folder that has your WooCommerce gateway and the zip. You select Open and then Install Now. Once the plugin has been uploaded, you can click the Activate Plugin button. The plugin is now active. From here, you go to WooCommerce, Settings, then you select Checkout. You then scroll down to the bottom and you select PayGate Payment Gateway. Make sure that you enable your PayGate Payment Gateway. Enter your PayGate ID and encryption key. Should you want to test, you can enable test mode. Otherwise, if you want to use your ID, make sure that this is deselected. If you have tokenization and the PayVault product configured on your backend, you can also enable this here. Here is where you enter the description that you want to show on checkout and the order button text. You can also change the title. You can write something like Pay by Credit Card, should you so choose. I'm going to enable test mode and click Save Changes. PayWeb is now configured.